Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Practice Time. Today, we will practice simple daily English sentences. Listen carefully and speak with me. Let's begin. I walk to a cafe. I walk to a cafe. I order a coffee. I order a coffee. I sit near the window. I sit near the window. The cafe is quiet. The cafe is quiet. I open my laptop. I open my laptop. I do some work. I do some work. I read my notes. I read my notes. I drink my coffee slowly. I drink my coffee slowly. I talk to my friend. I talk to my friend. She is very kind. She is very kind. We laugh together. We laugh together. I check the time. I check the time. I need to go now. I need to go now. I walk to the gym. I walk to the gym. I start my workout. I start my workout. I lift small weights. I lift small weights. I run on the treadmill. I run on the treadmill. I drink some water. I drink some water. I feel a little tired. I feel a little tired. I finish my workout. I finish my workout.